Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening based on where you're watching me from. You're welcome to Deck Beauty Gist. On today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make your rice, beans and dodo. Rice, beans and dodo hairstyle. The back is rice, the middle is beans, while the front is dodo. Then we are going to start and you're going to style it. Just watch what I'm about to do and follow with me. So I've already cut it. The back is my rice, the middle is my beans, and the front is my dodo. Then look at it. I'm going to tie it now so that it's not going to, so that it won't disturb me, so that you can see it very well. So I'm almost done tying it and I'm about to start. So guys, let's start. Let's start. I'm about cutting it now. Let us start. We are about to start, guys. At least you can see the way I'm cutting it now. Yes, yes. Okay, now look at the way I'm cutting it. I'm about to start now. It's going, yes, going band. You weave it slow and steady. Do not be too fast so that your hair will be clean and neat like mine. So take it easy peasy. Keep it going. Yes, let's keep on going. It's going down. Yes, now this is the first one. The second one, I will wait for the third one. Let's keep on going down. Yes, keep on going. It will come out nice anyway. So let's keep on going, guys. Take it easy. Now on the third one, almost done. I have to fast forward it so that it won't waste your time and data. Yes, let's keep on going. Now we are done with our rice. We are going to our beans now. I've cut the first one, the beans part. It's going on smoothly. Yo. This is how it is supposed to do. You can cut your any style anyways, but this is where I want to style mine. Yeah, this is how I want to style it. Watch it. Watch. Take it easy. You can see it's going on well. Can you see it very well? Follow the process. Anyway, have a cool hair for yourself, for your kids too. Yes, let's keep on going. It's going. Yes, this is it. Well, you can do your own any side anyways, but this is the way I want to style mine. You can style your own anyhow you want it. So let's keep on going. Take it easy, little by little. Now that's the second one I just cut now on the part of beans. We'll soon get to part of dodo. So get ready. Hold on and you will see it. We are almost there. So guys, we are done now. There's the last one on the part of dodo. Can you see how beautiful it is already? Wow. Rice, beans and dodo. The back is rice, the front is beans. No, the middle is beans, while the front is dodo. Now look at it now. Can your hair ever just imagine it when you do it for your daughter or you do it for yourself? So fine. Or you do it for your clients. Man, this is so wow. I like it. I like what I'm seeing. Now see guys, very fine. See, very neat. Can you see that it's very neat? See the dodo is giving.